Hi everyone, but back out to do scale modeling. Today we're going to look at something a little different. A aftermarket review from Fugu Garage. This is the Shelby GT500 trans kit for the Tamiya Mustang GT4. As some of you who know me know, I have a 2021 Mustang Mach 1. If I remember, I'll put a picture of it up. I want to build a replica of that car. This has most of the parts because a Mach 1's got a GT500 rear diffuser and front splitter and a few other things. I'd have to fix the hood. Fugu Garage, if I'm pronouncing that right, is also coming out with a Super Snake trans kit. That's got the correct spoiler for the Mach 1. So let's see what's in this box, because I am going to build the GT500 and then probably my Mach 1. My Mach 1 is in a color called Fighter Jet Gray. Beautiful color. This is the actual touch-up paint for that. That's what I'm going to be using when I make my kit. It's the GT500. I'm not sure what color yet. So let's see what we got. We got some instructions. Got some nicely wrapped stuff. This is a company from Russia. And they sent it to me. I paid for it, of course. Actually paid for two of them because I was going to do my Mach 1 with one of them. Also, I got the body from the Tamiya kit. I also did a review of this Tamiya Mustang. I will link that. So in here you got 1, 2 tires. You got rims, clear parts, seats, instrument panels, seats, new interior tub, instructions, decals. Let's put this stuff over here so we don't lose it. The instructions at the end, like always. Let's start with the big part. The front end. This is exactly beautiful. So, there's clear parts. Yep, I see them over there. We'll go over the headlights. The grille is detailed nicely. It's really nice resin. There is no engine, because there's no engine in the Tamiya kit either. But you can buy a resin engine for this online, and you just have to cut the hood open. I saw someone else's review on this, and this part was separate. There was a hole in the hood. I guess they didn't like that and changed it on later versions. So what you're going to have to do is take this Mustang and cut along this door line right here, and this part here actually stays on. So you're going to cut that and cut along the door line, and this is just going to attach right on there. And so you've got little clips here built into it to tuck under the doors. Very nice, good solid resin. Let me get you see that. The GT500, it's got the snake molded in. It's got the snake here. Not as nice as it could be. There we go. But still very nice. I love the way, I love the feel of it. I think it's going to fit very good onto this body. Okay, let's compare tires. These are the tires included in the kit. Now the Mach 1 and the GT500, I'm pretty sure, come with Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires, which is what these are. They say, let me put my visor on, it says Michelin Sport Cup 2, and that is the exact tread pattern that Michelin Sports Cup 2 tires have. And they're staggered like my car. So you've got wider ones for the back, narrower ones for the front. Beautiful, flexible, thin. This is going to be the inside. You can tell that's where it came out of the mold at. So these are the tires that come with the kit. I doubt that they're going to have writing on it, And these are also racing tires, because this is the GT4 kit, so there probably won't even be any tread on these tires. Yeah, see? These are smooth racing tires, and they're nice tires, but they're not branded. I think you get decals in the kit to brand them. And I'm going to build a couple of GT4 kits too. I got decals from SK Decals for that. So, tires beautiful. Alright. Do the clear parts last. These are the rims, the wheels. There's two different sets. You've got these, and you've got these. And if you look, you'll see the lug nuts are not there. They're hollow. The lug nuts are actually right here. So you can paint them separately, attach them from the inside. These just go into the wheels, or the tires, I'm sorry. So you can put this, snap that in there. There you go. So they give you two sets, two choices, just like the regular one, the real car. The GT500 is an amazing car, but, you know, spending $120,000 on a car, my Mach 1 costs half the price, and it's got similar parts, just a smaller engine and stuff. So here's the tub, floor pan, and it's correct, because, it goes this way, the Mach 1, or the GT350, is exactly like this. Okay. Cup holders and everything. Seats, got Recaro seats, two-piece. And these are also going to go together very well. Your Recaro seats, see, got a slot and a tab, fit in there nicely. Nice side detail. This is going to be the passenger seat because there's a controller for it. The driver's seat, it's got it on the correct side as well. So, nice seats. Very nice resin too, very nice. So, you can have a rear seat delete on a Shelby, which is this part here. It goes in, just covers the entrance to the trunk. But they've also given you seats, because you can get seats with the Shelby as well. So the seats will, I'm not sure if you use that rear seat delete for the seats or not. But there you go, rear seats. Exactly as they should be. Which, I don't know if you've ever been in a Mustang and you're tall like me, rear seats just aren't usable. I'd have to slide my seat up about 6 inches to use the rear seat. This bag has got the rear diffuser on it, which is the GT500 rear diffuser, but that's also what's on the Mach 1. So that's perfect. And the same with exhaust, 4.5-inch tips, just like on both cars. There's the correct taillight inserts. This is the center where the trunk would open, with the Super Snake logo. And these are the ground effects for the side of the car, and the extra ones for the front of the car. So these would actually go right along here. Sorry, here. I have to see the directions to remember, but the rear diffuser fits perfectly on there. This will go into here. Like that. The lights will go in there too. So all the appropriate parts for the GT500. And these exhaust tips, I mean, they're beautiful. Put some good chrome on there. Same with the taillight inserts. Okay. Let's look at the rest of the interior parts. So, you got your door cards, which again are completely accurate to the real Mustang. You got your speaker. I got Bang & Olufsen sound system in the Mach 1, your door handles, locking switches, your little cubby down there. And, you know, they're even engraved deeply enough to be realistic. Those should fit perfectly right inside there. So you got two of those, of course. This is for the front over the dash. So here's your, nope, this is going to be your rear deck. Sorry, your rear deck plate over the back seats or the non-back seats. This has got, looks like the Bang & Olufsen system. Your defroster vanes are in there. It's perfect. It's exactly what it should look like. Okay, here is the rear spoiler for the GT500. Like I said, that's different. Mine has a Super Snake type spoiler on it. But those, and I don't want to take those out because I don't want them to break. Those are just going to slide in there. And they're going to fit in those holes there. Right on there. Okay. Let's see. We got one more bag of non-clear parts. This is going to be your steering wheel, your pedals. If I can get it open. Okay. This is your accurate steering wheel. With all the buttons, the Super Snake logo. Flat bottom. Okay. Your rear view mirror. These are the turn signal and the wiper selectors that go to on the side of the steering wheel. And you've got your gas and your brake. I will be doing a video build of this because I've never done a trans kit before, and I want to show how I do it and the struggles I have or don't have. Alright, here are your resin clear windshield parts. These have to be in here because the kit ones come with racing brackets and stuff around them. But beautifully clear front windshield. Rear window is here. And this decal is for the defroster lines that are in the rear windshield. I'm pretty sure it's like that when you put it on there, because there's a rear window defroster. And then these are the beautiful side windows that should just snap perfectly in like that. And rear window. Perfect fit. And look how beautifully clear that is. And of course you're going to black all those lines around it. Okay. And last we have the headlight covers, tail light covers. What else is in here? Okay, and your turn signals. So you got your tail lights, which you'll make red and white. You've got your headlight covers, which are going to fit right over there. And then you've got, let's see, what's this? And this. So your front turn signals, so they're going to go on here. Okay, lots of parts. The price of this was $99 plus shipping from Russia, and for the quality of the resin, I believe it was worth it. Super Snake's just got a different hood, different spoiler, and a few other differences that they'll be sending out. Instructions, okay, let's look at these. You saw the defroster decals. These are your dashboard decals, your instrument clusters, your touchscreen, your Super Snake, and for your inserts for your wheels. Now there's 3 different modes in a Mustang, if you know that. There's normal, track, and drag. There's 3 different speedometer setups for that, and they've included them all. Okay. I guess it doesn't really matter. But there you go. Showing you how to cut off. You don't cut off that bottom part there, you just cut along the door line. Attach it. And your rear end and tail light parts. Then your interior tub, which is on the next page, is going to sit inside the kit chassis. Install the body across the top. Install the aerodynamic parts, which are those I said there, and then these here, your ground effects. Your rear spoiler and diffuser go on, and your choice of wheels. And that'll be finishing it. Like I said, rear seat delete, or the base. It says base, so I'm assuming if you want the rear seat, because it's showing the rear seat over top. So you do use that part, or don't if you don't want the rear seat in. Door panels. The instrument panel where you're putting the pedals on, putting your steering wheel and your control knob or control stalks on, and of course you're going to be putting your decals on. And you've got decals for this part too, these 2 instruments here, which on mine are oil pressure and vacuum pressure. Putting your dashboard in, the door cards, rear seats in if you want to, front seats in. The only thing missing, it looks like, are seat belts, which you can make yourself with ribbon and belt buckle accessory kits. So there you have it. I think it's going to be beautiful when finished. There you go. The Ford Mustang GT500 trans kit. It's going to be great. I will be sitting my ass to the bench and building this one. Thanks for watching.